Virtual reality, VR, gaming is an immersive and interactive form of gaming that allows players to experience virtual worlds through the use of head-mounted displays, HMDs, and motion tracking technology. It creates a sense of presence and places the player directly inside a computer-generated environment, enabling them to interact with the virtual world as if it were real. The concept of virtual reality has been around for several decades, but recent advancements in technology have made VR gaming more accessible and popular. The key components of a VR gaming setup typically include a VR headset, motion controllers, and sensors or cameras to track the player's movements. VR headsets are the primary interface between the player and the virtual world. They typically consist of a high-resolution display for each eye, providing a stereoscopic 3D view. The headset also contains built-in sensors that track the player's head movements, allowing them to look around and explore the virtual environment. Motion controllers are handheld devices that enable players to interact with objects and manipulate the virtual world. These controllers are often equipped with buttons, triggers, and touch-sensitive surfaces, allowing for a wide range of interactions and gameplay mechanics. To achieve accurate tracking of the player's movements, sensors or cameras are placed around the play area. These devices capture the position and orientation of the headset and controllers, translating the player's real-world movements into the virtual space. One of the most significant advantages of VR gaming is the level of immersion it provides. By placing the player inside the game world, VR creates a sense of presence and realism that traditional gaming cannot replicate. Players can explore virtual environments, interact with objects, and engage with characters in ways that feel more natural and engaging. VR gaming offers a wide range of experiences across various genres, including action, adventure, horror, simulation, puzzle solving, and more. Whether it's fighting off hordes of zombies, exploring fantastical landscapes, or solving intricate puzzles, VR gaming allows players to fully immerse themselves in the game and have a more visceral and memorable experience. However, VR gaming also has some considerations. It requires a relatively powerful computer or gaming console to run VR games smoothly. Additionally, some players may experience motion sickness or discomfort due to the disconnect between physical movement and visual feedback. Despite these challenges, VR gaming continues to evolve and gain popularity. Game developers are creating innovative and immersive experiences specifically tailored for virtual reality, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in gaming. As technology advances and becomes more accessible, VR gaming is likely to become an increasingly mainstream form of entertainment, offering players new and exciting ways to experience their favorite games.